to Badgeskins. In this episode, we're going to do a how-to install for the Badgeskin accent piece for the 19-inch Pretoria wheels. And it essentially looks like this. Now in the kit, you'll get 6 of these, obviously for a couple spares and possibly in case you mess up an install, but it's a fairly easy install and we'll go through it right now. So in general, just like anything else, you can prep your surface by washing it, using the alcohol swabs afterwards, and just getting any debris, any like grease or anything like that off of it, and then you gotta make sure it's super clean, microfiber cloth dry, and then you're gonna go ahead and do the install. So like any other Badgeskin install, it's the same. You gotta remove the Badgeskin from the backing via the masking, like so, and you're just gonna let it sit on your hand with the adhesive side facing out. Now it's important that when you do this install that you're going to do it in the 12 o'clock position, because it will be the easiest to deal with the vinyl while you apply this. So what you're going to do when you get up close here, I'll show you. Lying down is never easy when you do an install, but most of you will probably do it this way. You're going to hold the V lightly and kind of like align it without touching the wheel, and then you're gonna kind of just like get closer and kind of just drag the V upwards until you get to a spot where you know you like that alignment is good. So if you don't like it, you can always just recheck, recalibrate, line it up, kind of just drag it up to a spot you like. I like this spot here, so I'll tack it down the middle and let this droop down. Now you're gonna grab the masking side, give it a bit of tension, and you're gonna go full pressure with your thumb, and you're gonna tack down the vinyl. And you're gonna be really firm here. When you get to this peak, you're gonna go firm and down, okay? And make that corner. Then you're gonna use the masking here to align the skin and use this as a guide, the inner spoke. And you're just gonna work it all the way up, like so. Now you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So you're gonna work that vinyl, you're gonna use the tension to guide the vinyl where you want it to go, and then once you get hit to that peak, you're gonna go hard down with your thumb to make that corner. Even pressure on full inside and outside, and then realign and work the vinyl up and tack it down like using your thumb as a squeegee, so you minimize any air bubbles. And then once you feel comfortable that you got everything down, you can just grab the masking, peel away at 180 degrees. Like so, and now you have this nice accent piece on one of the spokes of your Pretoria wheels. Okay everyone, so here it is, the final product of the Badgeskin accent piece for the 19-inch Pretorias. We're probably making one for the 18-inch sometime in the future, but this is an amazing little accent piece that really makes the wheel pop. So just one thing, once you're done the install, it's always good to give it a little bit of a heat treat with a heat gun or a hair blower, especially on these raised pieces here where it angles. But other than that, it's a very easy install, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. Thanks for watching.